If your X account is locked or you're trying to get back into your Twitter account, this quick guide will show you the basic login step you need to try first. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the X login page. You can do this by opening your browser and heading to x.com. Once the login page loads, enter your credentials carefully. Type in your email, phone number, or username, and then enter your password. After that, click Continue. In many cases, that is enough to take you straight to your X homepage if your account is available and ready to access. Make sure the details you enter are correct because even a small typo can stop the login from working properly. If your browser has saved the wrong password before, double check that you're using the right one. If needed, you can refresh the page and try again. Once the login is accepted, X will redirect you to the homepage, and from there you can continue using your account as normal. That's all you need for this simple unlock and login process. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next tutorial.